Alright, TroposAir Ion, starting with the light kit. Very cool fan. It's a 5-speed DC motor. I wonder if that LED dims or something. Yep, it does. Speed 1. This is a nice 3-blade fan that I really do love. Even my girlfriend loves this thing. It's because it does remind her of a wind turbine a lot. It's a big fan. I mean, 76-inch fan diameter. This thing is really cool. I'm going to turn off the light.
I was gonna say this is a flush mount, so you would want.
I'm gonna keep the light on then.
If I put more ceiling, you want to drop it down. You stay there for it, basically. Yeah. Right. Yeah.
Very cool fan.
6 inch down rod in the motor.
That's not a light.
That is a light. Yep, that's correct. Yep. And that's also.
Speed 2.
The reason I didn't show you that was because that's also a DC motor.
That's what you call the medium low.
One that you would use for the switch, so you wouldn't want to put
Very huge fan, but it does move quite a bit of air.
Yeah, absolutely. Here you go. Here's my card.
Turn the light down.
And our number's on the bottom. Yeah, on the back it'll show you how you can build your own fan if you want. If you want to design your own fan, you can go find the motor.
And go to 3,
and then on the back pages,
which I could call medium at this point.
So you can kind of build your own fan. Right?
And it is moving a lot of air already. Doesn't spin super fast, but it does give off a lot of a breeze. Like underneath it is just mesmerizing to watch. Alright, 4. And then,
no, not so much financing. We have a
and of course,
program
I'm only going to show it on high speed after this, which of course is the last speed, but I'm going to get the airflow and then I'm going to shut it off. I'm not going to show reverse because it takes way too long to. And here's high airflow.
Okay, I said, yeah, that's smart.
Really cool fan. There's a ton of air. For a fan with the DC motor, I mean. Alright. I'm going to shut it off now.
Anything in the future has to be discounted back to whatever you can make off of it.
So yeah, that's it.